guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Now today, as I told you guys before, that I'm going to be planning a trip to go to Negril for a Rastafari experience. It's supposed to be like really awesome, but you guys know I'm not good with directions. So I just called the proprietor of the place, and man, he was giving me a bunch of different directions. Go left past the cane piece, and I'm like, I'm not from this area. So, you know, he was kind enough to give me the number of the person who would be taking care of me there. So I have the number down, but I did search on Google Maps, where I found it on the travel board, like the tourism travel board website or whatever. So I did get a better idea of where it was. So what I did punch in was just Petersfield High School, because it's close to there, I believe. So I'm headed there, and then I will take it from the next step. As you guys know, this is what our channel is about, trying to find these new places, these new experiences. There are a lot of experiences here in Jamaica. You have to be searching for them to actually find them. But anyway guys, I'm about to go get lost. I hope it's not raining so much, because you can see here now we're having rains for weeks. When I got back, I heard it's been raining in Jamaica quite a lot, but I hope in Westmoreland it's not raining. But anyway guys, I'll catch you when I get to the Petersfield High School or close by. All right guys, I almost forgot. Before I leave out, I always make sure I get some prayers in, you know, keep me safe on the road. But for you guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. It's always lit here. We always take adventures. You'll see a lot about Jamaica, about the food and the culture. And for those of you who are already subscribed, don't forget to like the videos. Thanks for the support guys, and I'll catch you in Petersfield. So right now I'm getting a bit hungry, and today's adventure we're actually gonna be having vegan. I don't think my muscles are too happy with that, because my muscles are pretty much saying to me, well, I'm hungry right now. What are we having today, master? Well, muscles, today we're having vegetables. Whoa! Yeah. I want no vegetables, I want beef, I want pork, I want chicken, and I want to go yum. Well, muscles, I'm sorry, but I can't do that for you today. We need to be saving these animals out there. Well, what about me? We're animals too, or some people call us mammals. We need to eat some proteins and to eat very nice. Well, Muscles, I'm the master of you. What part of you are the master of me? Tell me, what organ is talking to me right now? Is it the lips, is it the brain, or is it the heart? Muscles, don't let me lock you down. Well, go right ahead. Close me down and see if you don't crash and die. You have a good point there. I know sometimes a little bit crazy. I talk to myself when I'm traveling all alone. Oh my gosh, do I go left or right? Yeah, I go right. Anyway guys, we're pretty much almost there. We're maybe like 10 minutes out. Don't mind my craziness. I'm not crazy. I'm just adapting to traveling alone. Oh no. Alright guys, so we're pretty much at Petersfield. I can look across, I can see the Anglican Church. I'll show you guys that too. The Petersfield Anglican Church is over there. Big up Petersfield people. There's a sign over there that says Roaring River. I guess I should be going in that direction. I think I was just coming from down there just now. Maybe I should be going there. That's what Google Maps was telling me. But I'm gonna call Richie right now and get some information and figure it out. Behind me directly is It's the Petersfield Post Office, so that's the vicinity that I'm in. Alright, so it's definitely the sign heading towards the Roaring River direction. That's where you need to get to. I just spoke to Richie just now. I was a bit scared because I called him, it cut off, but he called me back immediately. I was happy for that, because to be quite honest, sometimes when you have these types of businesses, sometimes like people aren't professional, but these guys, they seem to be on point. So I'm heading there. Hopefully I can find the next stop, and then I will call him again. Yo, I'm in some little places, man. I'm telling you, like I just stopped by this guy who was raising goats. You know, he was catching some water, and I just asked him, I was like, yo, where to find this place? I just spoke to Richie a while ago too, and you know, he gave me some directions. But of course, yo, you gotta take it by, you know, take it by ear, because the directions aren't always going to be the best. But so far I'm following this Judah tour bus, where I believe is going to be going in a similar direction as I am. He said just keep going up until I find the Rasta Safari sign. So yo, when I find this, I'm definitely going to try to find some way to, you know, put it on the channel so you guys can find it easy, because yo, this is, you ain't gonna find it on Google, that's for sure. Guys, I made a wrong turn, but I'm at this little part here where it's like a blue hole section. You can see the water rushing down. But yeah, I'm gonna hop. I gotta make the right turn, so I gotta turn back. But cool. Alright, I just had to show you guys this. Like, this is another little river crossing thing. But anyway, Richie's still waiting for me. I can't stop too long. Alright, so one of the locals just now was like, yo, if I'm good? And I say, yeah man, I'm decent man. I wish I caught it on camera. That's just a Jamaican hospitality, you know? Because he probably thought I was, well, I'm kind of lost. But he thought I was like fully lost because I stopped, but I was actually just videoing and taking pictures. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, Richie says just keep going, keep making rights, which is right. And yeah. Alright guys, so we pretty much just reached the Rastafari experience. Richie, who I talk about for the whole time. Yeah man, yeah. You see me? Rasta Safari. Yeah, don't know. Yeah, help me out a big deal to find the place, because that place ended up on Google Maps, you know. No? We couldn't Google Maps it. You see me? See the sign here? Don't know where they are, Jamaica. Awesome place. It's at Roaring River, right? Roaring River, I go straight through. The sign there, so. You see me? Man, I just saw a lady.
Straight from the mountain, you know?
Straight from the mountain. Yeah. Okay. I gotta be careful with my camera. I just saw this lady bathing and I saw her titties, so I gotta be careful, man. But yo, this place is magnificent. Oh my gosh, yo, you guys need to come here. Like, tell me about it. Like, people normally fall there, so like often.
Yeah man, often man, if you can see man, normally the whole is full up.
Full up.
Especially like on the Sunday like this.
Yeah. Cause that, yo, that's how I worry about, you know. Cause I say the last day for the thing, and on the Sunday I say, yo. But you guys are here.
I if you go down to River, you can see some people just attract.
Yeah, I see a lot of locals down there. Plus I see tourists and everything there.
Right.
Mad.
Yeah man, this community is like a family, you know.
Yeah.
Normally it's like about 600 people inside, you know.
Okay.
You know, the whole of we just see each other like every day, so you know we live like family, so each and everyone is welcome, you know.
Realize that, because even our man down there try to help me, come and stop. I take a picture like him and say everything good man, and I say yeah man, everything blessed, you see me? So I can feel it man.
Yeah, man, I love the energy.
The energy. So Richie has to me say yo, because the lady them up there, we don't really want to look up there because they're naked.
They used to it man.
But I say them used to it. Yeah, so the river is pretty much coming all the way from up there. Richie just shared some good facts with me all ago. Richie tell me say, for 3 months, there's no water.
9 months running.
Look at this man.
3 months dry.
So
the dry season also January, February, March.
January, February, March.
It's like the winter season.
Winter season for yeah.
So it's less rain, more breeze. So the breeze take away the water. So the water goes up.
Mad. Yo guys, I can tell you this much. When I was younger, I used to watch the National Geographic channel, and I used to hear about the rainy periods and dry periods and all water just gone. But I'm seeing this for the real time, for the first time, so it really happened in Jamaica. That's severe. Yeah, I know. So, but what do people do when there's no water?
Oh, normally you have an next spring of life down there, so
spring of life, never dry. Never dry.
Running. Whenever that river dry, we know it must be a famine because it's never dry. Right, so you keep on running.
I know.
Yeah,
Yo, it's, you know, Jamaica, beautiful place. Beautiful place. What's man?
You know, also more than 47 different coming to get water from here.
47 different
More
coming.
than 47.
Wow. Wow. Yo, Jano, Richie, well informative, I can tell you that. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Whoa. Guys, you might be hearing the wind. I was planning on bringing my other camera, but boy, I never thought, because when I left Moby, I did be rain. So I say, nah, I can't my next camera car. I don't want. I told me come from.
Okay.
But I stop at Moby by my mother, while I sleep, and then head out, you know?
Yeah, man.
Hit that, man. So, this we can actually rent somewhere if you wanted to come here and chill.
Just come here and chill, man. This is
Wow.
the garden, you know.
Okay.
This is like the office.
Okay,
The
office.
yellow one right over there, that's like the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Those two are for rent, and that's
Okay.
where Phil and Claude stay.
Oh, okay.
And that's the kitchen, the orange one.
Okay. So like a very simplistic kind of lifestyle.
Yeah, that's
So like, huh?
mountain feeling, you know.
So like, if the people want to come here, like, what's the price we'll be looking at, maybe? Not
We
sure.
never finalize the price, you know.
Okay. Something that you just arrange, maybe you come here.
Yeah.
Cool. So check it out, guys. You can see all organic bananas are grow.
Natural banana.
Natural.
If you want to see it, all started from right here. You know, these little flowers, it's all started from.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
So them one they go become actually banana again too?
Not really.
Okay.
Because if you could see, these are the last set.
Oh, those are the last
Full
set.
one.
Cool.
Yeah, but that's how it's all farmed coming down.
Yo, my mom come from Jamaica, guys, and I just learn this. I have a banana tree back of me,
And if you
but
see why we Jamaican also said it's like a hand of banana different from a bunch.
why?
Because if you could see, it's like some fingers hanging down right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
But when the sun normally catch it, it's normally turned back up to the sunlight.
Oh yeah. If you look at it for real, cause you see it's downwards and then these go upwards.
Upwards.
Yeah, I get it. Cool. Alright, so he's pretty much gonna show me like the garden area and stuff. I might have to break this into like 2 videos, easily, so that you guys can, you know, and not have the video for too long. But wow, let me tell you, man, like, how can I explain it?
Most of my visitors, they normally said this place is like the garden of Eden, you know.
I feel you. I feel what you're saying. Definitely have that concept. It feel like you guys must be able to hear the wind, man. Like, it's calming.
Relax.
Relax. I think the best thing about it is that damn river down there, man. Like, you can go down there and bathe, and there are definitely gonna be naked girls. I'm messing, guys, but yeah, the river, you can feel the power from it. I was asking Richie about bees, and I'm sure that's a bee box down
Yeah,
there.
man, that's a bees box.
Is it a hive? Is it alive now?
You know, because it's so low.
Yeah.
No bees in it. That's right.
Okay, cool.
Just the other day we captured a few bees and we put them in there. They all get eaten by the ants or the frogs.
Oh my god, yeah, you gotta have them like
Put them
higher,
higher.
yeah. It's one thing with life, guys, like when you see, once you start learning,
Nature, man.
definitely,
Look at it. We
definitely.
got like more than 7 different type of mango right here, and you know it's about 49 different type of mango in Jamaica.
What?
And we got more than 7 different type right here.
49.
Yeah.
Yo, this dude is opening up my mind. Like as I was saying just now, like, you see, the more information you get about life, like even the bee box, most persons will come here and just see the box and be like, it's just a box.
Yeah.
But like that information open your mind, so it's good to learn these stuff. And that's a while ago, 49.
Yeah, man.
49 different mango, yo, that just blew my mind, really dark. Don't know, he has like 7 types here. I think at my house I have like 3 or 4.
And if you could just come closer to the tree, you see all these machete cuts, man.
Yeah.
All these machete cuts, you know. Normally when you want the tree to bear, sometimes they chop it.
I know this much. I know this much.
Also, it's very good if you chop it up and spray it from here more than to spray the whole tree.
So that will go into the system
into
better.
The system, get all the bad mangoes off the tree.
Whoa.
So you started to get the new set of mangoes.
That's interesting. That's interesting. I didn't know about that with Akis. People cut the Aki tree and then get.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, I wish you guys could be here to experience this. It's yo. It's
Man, and that tree we also going right around the mountain.
so. So for those of you who are not aware of what we're gonna be doing today, we're going ATVing.
Yeah.
ATVing. I'm not sitting.
Brand new Razor Polaris.
Whoa.
900cc.
900cc. The
Go
morale.
closer where you will see. You know?
Yeah, you see me? So we're gonna. I've been ATVing before. Once it was an awesome experience. So I'm looking forward to that.
This one is like an experience of a lifetime, you know, because you get a lot of information. You know, that's why we call it the Rasta Safari experience.
Rasta Safari experience. But speaking about that, the food, because we wanted to do like the vegan food, but we can't do that today.
Yeah, not really.
Not. But normally, what's on the vegan menu normally?
It's normally veggie chunks. It's like straight from the soya bean.
Yeah.
And we mix like the ackee. You know, that's our national fruit.
Yeah.
So we mix those two together with a little, I say pumpkin, carrot, Irish, and sometimes we put a little cabbage in there to make it extra spicy.
Extra spice, all right. But I'm not getting that today. I'm getting.
I say probably you get chicken today.
Chicken today, but how are you gonna do that?
If you need pork, it's all up to you. You know?
Man, if I go put pork, it's gonna be people are gonna be roasting me. So I can't put pork. I'm gonna put like chicken. How do you do it? Like regular brown stew chicken or?
No, it's regular fried chicken.
Regular fried chicken. Oh, I'll work with that. No problem. All right, yeah. So that's pretty much where we are.
If you see over here, that's a little cat. You know, it's like dozen of them over here. You know.
Yeah, I can hear them too.
Just a little baby one right here, trying to catch a lizard or something like that.
Oh yeah, for real. Oh, is it gonna run away? Maybe. Jeez. Hey.
Oh, started from one cat, you know.
Yeah.
Till it's lead up, it's like more than a dozen over here. Just one cat.
Yo, cat.
And if you could see, that's the mom and dad right over there on the step.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. You guys won't be able to see them, but they're somewhere there. Yeah, I see them. All right. All right. What about these mountains?
Yeah, man, these are the three mountains the fisherman in Savlamar. You know, Savlamar is
I know Sav, yeah.
like our main town
in
Westmoreland. So we have Jack, Jill, and Bill. The fishermen use them for navigation.
Oh, I see. Wait.
It's a landmark that they are close to land.
So Jack, Jill, and
Bill.
Jack, Jill, and Bill. Wow. That dope.
So the fishermen use them for a landmark, know that they are very close to land. So
wow.
It's like their navigation.
That makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense.
And we go far where you're gonna get to see that these three mountains are the really tallest around.
Yeah. You can they're very pronounced. You can see that, but as you said, when you take it further, maybe from the ATV perspective.
Yeah, man.
Mad.
Jackfruit. Huh?
Jackfruits. And I know a lot of you back in the US miss this fruit, and you know the funny thing about it, it's become so popular now because people in the US talk about it being a superfood, a lot of protein, a lot of whatever.
Like we can do a lot of things with it. Even the Rastaman, they use it in their pot like a meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I
in the US
cook
too.
It, you know.
Yeah.
And we boil also the seed with a little salt.
Yeah.
It's similar to the peanut.
I did hear that. Yeah, I hear that.
And when it's also ready, you could smell the fragrance from also a mile away.
Trust me, and it's a very good fragrance. But yo, they're so. How do people pick them? Like,
you know, sometimes they fall off the tree when they're ready.
Okay.
Or when they're ready, you could smell the fragrance. So you just push a stick there. It falls so easy.
Yeah, man. There's a lot of these on the tree right now. What about the noni? I know these.
This one is the noni.
Yeah.
Noni, everyone know it worldwide for a cancer purpose. They said some of them said it's cure their cancer.
Yeah.
But we all know it depends on the genes, right?
Yeah, it's true.
So the gene system. So a lot of people said, some of them said it's fake, some of them said it's good. But I know it's really good because what happened? This one clean your whole system out.
Yeah.
Yeah, the noni. When it's ready, it's like this, more like this color.
Let's see what.
Yeah.
Oh,
And we normally put it inside like a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
And let it stay till it rot. And when it rot, it's gonna smell similar to like poo. So a lot of
Yeah, it
people-
smells weird.
Yeah,
I've seen them on the floor and I'm like, yo.
They have like three heads.
Yeah.
You have the sweet, the sour, and the bitter.
Okay, sweet, sour, and bitter.
And so a lot of people don't want to drink it, but I said if you drink it, it's very good for you, clean your whole system. So if you have like a cancer problem, start it.
Yeah, even before you even have cancer.
Or
you
even
can,
before you have it.
we can see, oh, the national bird was just there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's flying. The national bird is the hummingbird. Yeah, that's it. On my thing. Alright guys, here we have a tree. If any of you can tell me what kind of tree this is, in the comments, I will give you nothing. Because it's not a live thing, so of course you guys won't know exactly what it is. But I'm gonna show you. Oh, maybe I can go on my live on YouTube and show you. But let's take a look at what this tree is. Check it. 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 Coconut tree. So I heard that this tree actually got blown over in 2007 from Ivan. I can definitely see bees and wasps up there getting some of the nectar from that, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yo, check it out, yo. he said it's the best tree in the yard, the best coconut tree.
Just right here to pick a coconut, you know.
Oh, I thought you were saying it's the best because it looked unique.
It's also unique, so it's
But
the best.
it could, but did it pick your night?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, he tall, I'm short, so let me see for sure people. Like,
Yeah, man, it's the best one, man.
I got it. Yeah.
And if you even cannot climb, you could just come right here.
Here. Quick and fast.
Exactly.
All right, so you got the keys for the bikes. The ATVs are over there. So guys, no pun intended, but right now we're gonna introduce you to some very interesting shit. Tell me about it.
Yeah, man, this is the one they normally use for the toilet paper. If you could feel it, it's like very soft. But normally, if you see right here, it's like a fire ants.
Yeah.
You always have to be careful of the fire ants, you know.
Yo, to be quite honest, this does feel like toilet paper. Better than
Very
the type of
soft.
paper I use. Yo, yeah, for real. And if you use it, won't affect you in no way. It's good. But you gotta be careful of
the
fire
fire
ants.
ants, you
The
know.
fire-
Yeah, man. They beat you on your butt.
You don't have to think about it twice. You hear we call it fire ants. You know why you're not this. Yo, interesting, man. Interesting stuff. Alright, so Richie's about to rev up the bikes and thing, move them out. You don't know. I want the fastest one. Me know. Yeah, you moving them out and stuff. Yo, it's crazy, fam. Yo, it's gonna be fun. Of course, any of you coming to Jamaica, you want the really hot weather, you're definitely gonna get that because I'm sweating bullets at the moment. But yeah, there's more banana trees here. Funny enough, this one you can see is more developed because the other one seemed a little bit smaller. But if you check this out here, this one is a lot more developed than the last one. So the fingers are a lot more full. Yo, views, man. Views.
We'll